Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are blending up a skin barrier boosting, soothing, and softly fragrant Berry Glow facial serum. As you might have guessed from the name of this serum, it stars berry oils, 3 of them in particular: blackberry seed oil, raspberry seed oil, and cranberry seed oil. Between these 3 oils, you'll find beautiful vitamins, gorgeous antioxidants, and quite a lot of linolenic acid, which is wonderful for irritated, acne-prone, and mature skin. I've complemented this luxurious and summery oil blend with 2 great oil-soluble actives. So we have some vitamin E or tocopherol, which is a wonderful antioxidant, and I've also included some bisabolol. Bisabolol is a naturally occurring compound that we also find in chamomile essential oil, and it's a great skin-soothing ingredient. It does have a bit of a scent, kind of a soft, flowery scent, but that doesn't end up coming through in the finished serum because the cranberry seed oil and the raspberry seed oil both have quite noticeable, very fresh, fruity, kind of bright scents. And so that's really what we smell with this serum. It's got a really nice smell to it. Sometimes oil serums just kind of smell like nothing or a little bit like oil, but this, honestly, I could see buying a fragrance oil that smells like these oils. It's a very nice, soft, subtle, all natural scent. This is really easy to make. We don't have to melt anything, so you just stir everything together and package it up, or you could just mix everything right in your packaging. For packaging, I am using this really cute 10 milliliter airless pump bottle from Humblebee. You'll see it closer at the end of the video. It was a gift, but I do like an airless bottle choice for this formulation as it helps delay the onset of rancidity by reducing the amount of oxygen that the product is exposed to as it continues its existence, because if it's a bottle that isn't airless, as there is less and less product in the bottle, there becomes more and more air. Obviously it fills the void. So an airless bottle removes that oxygen exposure and helps extend the shelf life of our beautiful, luxurious oils. As always, if you would like to learn more about this formulation, including information on substitutions and scaling, links to places to buy all the ingredients, you can look up the ingredients in the encyclopedia as well. Check out some further reading, links to other oil serum formulations I've shared. There's just heaps more in the blog post linked in the description box below this video. So please make sure you are checking that out. But yeah, let's go make this gorgeous oil serum. So making this is really simple. We're just weighing everything straight into a beaker and stir and package, and we are done. So we'll begin with the olive squalane. We'll need 1.95 grams. Up next is 0.2 grams vitamin E or tocopherol. So this is a fabulous antioxidant. And then we're also going to include 0.05 grams bisabolol. So this is a component that we also find in chamomile essential oil, and it's really calming for the skin. If you are looking for substitutions or more information about it, please look it up in the Humblebee and Me encyclopedia. And then our last 3 ingredients are our berry oil. So these are our star in name ingredients. So we need 1.5 grams of blackberry seed oil, and this is really lovely, like luxurious, rich carrier oil. Both my blackberry seed oil and my cranberry seed oil were gifted by Plants Power, and they're both very nice oils. We need 3.8 grams cranberry seed oil. This, along with the raspberry oil, is where the scent of this serum comes from. They both have really fresh, light, juicy scents to them that aren't often found in natural ingredients. So it's a lovely surprise and is a great addition to this serum. And then our last ingredient is 2.5 grams raspberry seed oil. Give that a bit of a stir to combine, and at this point, all that's left to do is packaging. So for packaging, I'm going to use this great tiny little 10 milliliter airless pump bottle. This was a gift from Humblebee, and I love it for serums. It's great. And that is pretty much it. A 10-gram batch fits perfectly in one of these little 10 ml bottles, save for perhaps like one application's worth. Do a little application demo and you can see the little bottle in action. Prime that pump and out it comes. It's a kind of, you can see sort of goldeny green oil. That like one pump would be more than enough for your whole face. Spreads around really beautifully, feels rich but not greasy. I wouldn't say it's super, super lightweight, and it has a gorgeous, fresh, juicy scent from the cranberry and raspberry seed oils that is just downright delicious. And there we go. So we just made a gorgeous Berry Glow facial serum featuring some great antioxidants, some lovely skin soothing ingredients, and some beautiful oils that are rich in linolenic acid, which is wonderful for helping boost barrier function. Just lots of beautiful ingredients and a really easy to make formulation. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to learn more about this formulation, including information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, information on all the ingredients I've used, links to places to buy them, all that, please make sure you're reading the partner blog post linked in the description box below this video. To use this serum, I like it at the end of my skincare routine, so after I've done for more watery serums and whatnot, like the brightening toner mist I shared recently, I'll finish off with this to kind of cap off the routine. But yeah, thank you so very much, and I'll see you next time.